Well, hello everybody. This is Lyle Alexander. I want to share some thoughts with you today about our team with American Bill Money, and I want to encourage you to have a specific goal and plan in mind, in what you want to accomplish with the building of American Bill Money #1 residual income program, and have a specific goal in mind of what you want to accomplish. Let's take for an example that you want to replace all of your bills. You want to cover all of your bills with your business. Well, start listing out your bills and get the dollar figure that you're going to need to reach in order to obtain that, and then go to work and get that done, and make projections with a calculator to see how much it would take, how much effort it would take to reach that goal. Maybe you have a bigger goal. For an example, I have farmland payment goals in mind of how much that would take. So my goal is bigger than your basic expenses goals of everyday living in your household. So my goals are bigger. Now, from the important part there is to let that drive you on to success. Don't let anything stop you from obtaining that goal and dream, and make it a priority. Put a date on it, and set your plan in action, and don't let anything deter you. Don't let any negatives deter you. Always know that this company, it's been around for 21 years. It's going to be around for you. But you have to take action. You have to have a specific goal in mind, and then execute your plan and go for it with all you've got. So let's see what we have here. For those that have not seen a video of mine on this yet, you are invited to join America's #1 residual income system. Earn $1,500 profit every month for referring just five $50 customers that do the same through 3 levels. Everyone wants and needs more money. That is a fact. And more so today, everybody needs more money. Imagine yourself earning the examples below. Now get excited, and more importantly, take action. Income examples of everyone referring just 5 $50 customers each through 3 levels is $1,550 a month, $18,600 a year. Income example of everyone referring just 12 $50 customers each through 3 levels, that would bring $18,840 a month, $226,080 a year. Now our team has a $10K a month business plan that we are following, and we'd like to encourage you to come along with us and start striving for this example of everyone referring 12. You can now get started in ABM for only $50. This is a new #1 residual income plan that they have come up started here recently, and there's no computer or special skills needed. Super simple. All you do is send postcards or flyers in your spare time, and you can also you can email that. Also, you can text, whatever your game plan is, but get the postcards, flyers, drop cards out to everyone, or even a text that says a little bit of information and say that call this 800 number, or the website below, myincomeDouble.com. You'll do no selling, and you can remain anonymous. We do awesome follow-up and close sales for you. This system is your best shot at financial freedom. So call the recorded overview at 1-800-632-0739 with my ID code 4330, or go to myincomeDoubled.com and give them my ID code of 4330. They'll get you started fast. They'll send out a packet to you by priority mail, and when you join, I will get an email with your ID number. I will follow up with you immediately so you can get started before the packet gets to you by priority mail. So read the description below, the comments, and find all the details that is listed on this flyer so that you can get started today. Come along with us, come and join our team, and we'll see you on the inside.